Hi, my name is Don Wei, Standards Architect and Fellow at ARM. At the upcoming ARM Dev Summit, I will present a session on what's new in SystemReady, hardware certification for software that just works. SystemReady is also the foundation for many of the ARM initiatives, such as Project Cassini and Sophie. You will learn all the updates to the SystemReady bands, specifications, test suite, certification requirements, and processes since the introduction of SystemReady at the last ARM Dev Summit. In addition, you will learn the major compliance issues that we have identified and what ARM plans to do about these issues with the partners. Finally, you will see devices that are certified or are en route to be certified where the vision of software just works become reality. Learn more at this link in the post.